Have you ever wondered how a simple potato turns into the crunchy, golden laced chips we all love? It all begins on large potato farms where special varieties are grown specifically for making chips. These potatoes are firm and have just the right amount of water, making them perfect for frying. After harvesting, trucks transport the fresh potatoes straight to the Lay's factory, ready for processing. Once they arrive, each potato goes through a strict quality check. Machines and skilled workers inspect them carefully, removing any that are damaged or imperfect, ensuring that only the best potatoes move forward. Next, the selected potatoes are washed thoroughly using high-pressure water jets to remove dirt and impurities. Automatic peeling machines then remove their skins, leaving smooth, clean potatoes ready to be sliced. These potatoes are sliced into ultra-thin pieces using high-speed slicers, with precise control over thickness so that every chip cooks evenly and becomes perfectly crispy. The slices then move onto a conveyor belt and are fried in hot oil at carefully controlled temperatures. The frying process is timed exactly so that the chips turn golden and crunchy without burning, giving Lay's its iconic texture. After frying, the chips enter large rotating drums where salt and other seasonings are added. Whether it's classic salted, tangy barbecue, or spicy flavors, every chip is coated evenly, ensuring delicious taste in every bite. Before packaging, the chips go through a final quality check where advanced scanners detect burnt or broken chips, and workers make sure that only the best chips make it through. Finally, the chips are packed in air-filled packets to protect them from breaking and to keep them fresh. High-speed machines seal thousands of packets every minute, ready to be shipped to stores worldwide. And that's the journey of a potato into the crispy, golden laced chips you enjoy. Next time you open a packet, remember the amazing process behind every bite.